Hola a todos, bienvenidos a Español con Mike. Yo soy Mike. En el video de hoy vamos a aprender acerca de los plurales en español. Hi everybody, welcome to Spanish with Mike. I'm Mike, and in this video we're going to learn about plural nouns in Spanish. The formation of plurals in Spanish, plural nouns, we could say, pretty much easy. It basically involves the changing of the ending for singular nouns. That's pretty much it. And just like in English, we have regular and irregular plurals. So basically, that's what we are going to study in this video. So let's start with the regular plurals. And for regular plurals, we have three basic rules. The first one, if the noun ends in a vowel, we just add the letter S. So we have casa, casas, niño, niños, camisa, camisas, carro, carros, calle, calles, caja, cajas, amigo, amigos, juego, juegos. Now, we may have some nouns ending in a consonant. We just add es, I mean es, es. So in the case of hotel, hoteles, flor, flores, cajón, cajones, corazón, corazones, lugar, lugares, pilar, pilares, pared, paredes, papel, papeles. And the third rule is if the noun ends in Z, we change the Z for C and we add ES. So in the case of pez, and remember, the Z for Spain sounds like theta, They say pez or something like that. But in Latin American, I think that's the only place in the world, in Spain, I'm sorry, in which we hear that pronunciation. Other than that, Latin America, the other countries, we just pronounce the Z like a regular S. So we say pez, peces, luz, luces, cicatriz, cicatrices, cruz, cruces, disfraz, disfraces, voz, voces, nariz, narices, lápiz, lápices. Now, how about irregular plurals? So we need basically to think about a couple things. The first one, nouns that don't change in the plural, meaning they are invariable plurals, just like in English it happens. So some examples of this in which the word is the same for both singular and plural are el lunes, singular, los lunes, plural, same word. Crisis, una crisis, one word. Muchas crisis, plural. Análisis, un análisis, singular. Los análisis, plural. Virus, singular. Un virus está atacando a la comunidad. Los virus que contrajo, los virus, plural. Tijeras. With tijeras, there's a special thing. And tijeras can be used both for singular and plural. I can say las tijeras, meaning just this, sorry, meaning just this. Las tijeras, I can say, and this is just a piece, right? One thing. And I say las tijeras in Spanish. For both singular, or if I have several, I can say las tijeras. It's the same, las tijeras, las tijeras. But in Spanish, we can also say la tijera. It's valid. So we can say both. So that's like a special case there. And same thing with pantalón. Pantalones, it's a pair, like a pair of jeans, like a pair of pants for one or for several, right? And I can say, me pongo los pantalones. I just take my pants and put my pants on, one thing. And I say, I have several, tengo muchos pantalones. I have many pants. So it's the same. And with pantalones, same thing with tijeras. I can say el pantalón. So that's very important. It's important that in these cases the context always clarifies whether the noun is going to be singular or plural. So despite the form, the word being the same. So that's important. And there are some special cases like compound nouns, in which the word is like a compound word like this. We have this is a pencil sharpener, a sharpener, and the word in Spanish is saca puntas, compound word. And this is un sacapuntas, although the word is plural. So cases like this: sacapuntas, abrelatas, paraguas, rompecabezas. So for those words, we also have sacapuntas, and some people say un sacapunta, un abrelata, but that's not correct. Un paraguas, that's not correct. El rompecabezas, that's not correct. These words have to go, unlike scissors, tijeras, these words have to go in plural, whether singular or plural in the context. Now, when we have nouns with accents, some nouns with accents, the accent changes when they go plural. If the accent is written, what we call tilde. So I'm sorry if there's some outside noise, background noise, but it's the time of the day and everything. So canción, you see, there's a tilde, canción, canciones, no tilde. Corazón, corazones. Cajón, cajones. Capitán, capitanes. Canción, canciones. Tiburón, tiburones. Pantalón, pantalones. Opinión, opiniones. So another thing is that some nouns in Spanish, they have this unique characteristic, and is that they are masculine in the singular form but become feminine when they go plural. This, or vice versa. This is interesting. So some of the examples of this are el agua, singular, las aguas. El agua está fría, singular. Las aguas del río son cristalinas, plural. And you say singular, masculine, plural, feminine. El alma es eterna, singular, masculine. Las almas perdidas vagan por el mundo, plural, feminine. El área de la ciudad ha crecido rápidamente en los últimos años, singular, masculine. Las áreas verdes son esenciales para mejorar la calidad del aire en las ciudades, plural, feminine. El hacha se rompió, singular, masculine. Las hachas están en el suelo, plural, feminine. Las águilas, el águila vuela libre, singular, masculine. Las águilas están volando, plural, feminine. And last but not least, el arma está lista, singular, masculine. Las armas fueron entregadas a tiempo, plural, feminine. So here, context matters. And we need to understand that most of this comes also with exposure to language. In general, for plurals, we have to, just like if we are going to use adjectives, we need to make sure the gender number agreement always. So if we have el niño alto, alto has to be both gender and number. In this case, masculine, singular. Los niños altos, masculine, plural. La niña alta, feminine, singular. Las niñas altas, feminine, plural. So this has we need to make sure we understand and follow this. So in a nutshell, if we have nouns ending in a vowel, just add s. If they end in a consonant, we add es. If they end in z, we change z for c, and we add es. Sorry for the background noise, but okay, come on. And for the irregular forms, we need just to learn and make sure we're not going to make mistakes. So basically, this is it. What's the idea now? The idea is you have to, well, you should start doing your own exercises, read a lot, exposure to the language, start by reading and understanding this. Oh, yeah, this is masculine, feminine, they go plural, they don't go plural, they don't change, whatever. And also step to increase the level of difficulty, then start listening audios, podcasts, news, TV, movies, and of course start speaking. Do not feel shy. Do not fear making mistakes. Please make mistakes. That's the way how we learn. So if when you're doing all of this, you have questions, check the video as many times as you need. And if you still have questions, leave a comment and I'll reply as soon as possible. If you like the video, you know what to do. Please share with your friends, groups, social media. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button in order to get notifications because we're posting videos on a weekly basis. And you can also, when we go live, we can also be part of the chat. The live chat, it's only available for subscribers. It doesn't cost a dime. Also, thanks, if you want, you can be part of the membership program. Thanks to all of the members of the channel for the support. It's a way of showing appreciation, and pretty much that's it. So I hope this has been helpful and looking forward to seeing you in a future video. Espero que les haya gustado, que hayan aprendido, que les sirva el material y nos vemos en un próximo video. Chao, chao.